Extortion plot probe expands. This evening, the latest tally of businesses police say criminals were targeting to pay up or have their workers and managers murdered. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, flash flood watch. The sections of some parishes the Met Office says should be alert.
Get a lawyer while staff falling ill at Cornwall Regional Hospital are being given that advice.
Caught on camera, the man who stole a vital piece of equipment from Andrews Memorial Hospital.
Review, we assess national security a year after the JLP took office.
And in the business day, the North-South Highway, beautiful highway, but is it profitable?
There is also a ray of hope, sports, post commentary and weather in Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
What can the police do to reduce extortion?
Please share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.